So you people are writing the notes which are being given, understanding what is being told to you. Any doubts? You can ask me, children. Feel free to ask me. Okay. So let us start our today's class. Previously, we have started our third lesson. Yes, some more shapes. Class 4 mathematics, some more shapes. Now let us continue from that. We have gone through the extra problems from our which I have given you. Now let us see the textbook problems, what is there in the textbook. Okay, children? So we are aware of the definitions and all those things. So let us see. Firstly, what do we have? What are these shapes called? Yes, you can see the diagram. We have already traced the soap box here. Yes, what shapes do we get it here? When you trace the soap box, the faces of the soap box, two sides, or how many faces? Six faces we have. Yes or no? So all the faces are in the shape of a rectangle. Yes or no? Yes. So now the down one is the cube, dice. Yes, when you trace a dice, all the shapes are in the form of a square. So how many sides do rectangles have? Four sides. How many corners do rectangles have? Four corners. Yes. Are all the sides of a rectangle equal? No. Because you can see here in the diagram itself, the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. It has two long sides and two small sides. Yes. The same if you go on to the square here, the die shape, when you trace it, what shape you got it here? Square shape. So how many sides does it have? A square has four sides. And how many corners does it have? A square has four corners, and in the square, in the diagram itself, you can see and say that all the sides of a square are equal. So here are the answers, children. So four sides, a rectangle has four sides, a square has four corners. And in a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. It has two big and two small sides. In a square, all sides are equal. Okay. The next page. Which objects are around you in triangular shape? Write them below. Okay. So triangular shape, you will be finding many objects beside you. Yes, some names let me say you. Samosa which you eat, the joker hat, birthday cap, the slice of a pizza. Yes, these are some of the examples, children. The next one, which of the following is a triangle shape? So I have ticked the triangle shape one, and there is one more triangle, not complete triangle it is, so that is not a triangle shape. Okay, so don't tick that one. The triangle shape is been ticked here. All these, draw the diagrams in your classwork as well as write the answers. The next one, Lata used her bangle and mother's bangle and traced the following shape. So if you trace a bangle, what shape do you get it? The shape which you get it is the shape of a circle. The next question, do these shapes have any sides or corners? No, a circle doesn't have shapes nor does it have corners, children. Okay. The next one, which things around you are in circular shape? So some of the examples you can see it in your home itself. You'll have the circular watch. Yes, the shape of a watch is in the shape of a, the watch is the shape of a circle. Okay, the football, the dome of the ceiling fan, the bangle, ring. These are some of the examples. Now let us go to the page number 20. If you see here, there are some dots given here. If you combine the dots, you just draw shapes here. Okay, make the shapes of a square, rectangle, triangle, different sizes, combine the dots, two shapes, or how many ever shapes you can draw it, just fill up these things. Okay, see here I have drawn some combining the dots. So square shape also I got it here, rectangle, triangle. So whatever shapes, but all the dots should be covered. Now page number 19, children. Using square, circle, rectangle, triangle, shapes to make at least 50 pictures. So no need to do this. If you want, you can. There is some examples you can draw it. Previously I have given you the extra examples. Those are enough for you to go on with it. Now let us come to the exercise. Yes. So in exercise first one, trace the following objects. Which shape did you get? If you trace the following objects, first one is the matchbox. What shape do you get it, children? If you trace the matchbox, you get the shape of a rectangle. B1. If you trace a ring ball, what shape do you get it? You'll get the shape of a circle. Vicks toffee, if you trace it, you will get the shape of a triangle. The next one is the textbook. If you trace the textbook, you will get the square shape. It is a big square, all sides are equal. The next one is the duster. If you trace a duster, you will get the shape of a rectangle. Now look at the diagram here. Count the number of squares, triangles and rectangles. So in the first diagram A1, see here, number of the squares you are finding is, I have named them and the numbers are given individually. Total you have 5 squares. The next question is number of triangles. So how many triangles you have here? Count will differ, children, from one to other, because if you go in depth you will get many triangles and many squares here. Just you have to find out. So some I have given it to around 22, more than 22 also you can get it. 22 or 24 also you can get it, children. Now number of rectangles. Okay, here also the count will differ. So total rectangles which I got it is 8. So the next B diagram, number of squares, triangles, rectangles and circle. Circle I have named it as C. After the count, C is written, and for rectangles R is written, triangle means T, yes, square means S. So you have only one square, that is the center one, and you have 4 rectangles, 4 circles and 8 triangles. So here are the answers. In the first figure you have 6 squares, 24 triangles and 8 rectangles. In the second figure you have 1 square, 8 triangles, 4 rectangles and 4 circles. The next one, fill the rangoli with the colors mentioned below. Green color for the squares, red color for the circles, yellow for the triangles and blue for the rectangles. So see here, I have just drawn the colors, not fully colored. You color it in a proper way, children. This is just done. So how many squares do you see? If you just count the colors, you can see 5 squares. And how many rectangles do you see? Yellow color, if you find it, you have 5 rectangles. And how many circles do you see here? Total you have 11 circles. Then how many triangles do you see? 5 triangles. 5 triangles are in the blue color. Yes, count them. Okay, children. So by this, your third chapter is completed. Stay safe. Take care of your health. Thank you, ma'am.